How to set or edit the login banner in the FortiGate. This is the very simple video and very useful. So just start. Let's log into your FortiGate firewall, and after login you will see the dashboard and go to the navigation bar and click on the setting, and then go to the replacement message just after the SNMP. So after clicking replacement message you will see the multiple replacement messages are already present here, and you can see the upper right corner simple view and extended views. Then click extended view and you will see the first row, that is a admin, and you can see the pre-login and post-login banner. So just edit the pre-login or post-login banner, and you can see here you can edit. So just you can edit simply or delete the pre-login banner or post-login banner and paste here as per your requirement. Paste here, you can just like I am pasting here the text, and just save it. And same way we can edit the, this is the pre-login banner, and same way we post-login banner, and same way we can edit the pre-login banner. So I'm just editing the post-login banner, and here you can see default banners is showing here. So I have deleted and simply type test2 and save it. And after save you can see like a modified column, and it's showing a green tick, means this column has been modified, and that is correct. We have to test it. So after logout you can see the pre-login banner which is default is showing, and after accepting the pre-login banner you will log in the FortiGate firewall, and after login you can see the post-login banner. So here you can see the post-login banner that is showing test2 that we had to modified. So this is working as expected. So just I have logged in my firewall with the read write permission, and I'm going to again replacement message, and I will reset the default post login banner that I was changed earlier. So after going to replacement message, going to extended view of upper right corner, and you can see we can see pre and post login banner. So I am editing a post login banner, and here you can see the reset to default, and click on the restore to default and save it. So default post login banner will be saved. And in the modified, after saving, you can see in the modified column there is no tick showing, means the post login banner has been reset to default. So this is the very easiest way, and you can modify the pre and post login banner as per your requirement. Here if you want to disable post login banner or pre login banner, config system global, unset pre login banner and unset post login banner, and click end and enter. Unset post login banner, and after that end, enter, and you have now disable your pre and post login banner. So after logout you can see there are nothing banner is showing here. So I hope you can understand, you have understand these steps. So let's meet in the next video with the new ideas. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.